Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore Nusa Dua, the elite area in Bali. Let's check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay, you see the gate at the front? There is the gate in to go to the Nusa Dua, the elite area in Bali. You can see the trees left side and right side, and the grass is look very beautiful. I mean, it's very clean. And left side there is a lot of big hotel. Some of them they connecting by the ocean. So that's why in this area it's very expensive to stay here. And usually before the pandemic corona, you see the sidewalk, usually a lot of people doing exercise. Whose people stay in this area. And also you can see how the weather today is very beautiful, isn't it? It's very blue sky and very clear. I love this. Okay, if I turn left, there is the gate in to go to the some hotel, which this hotel is connecting by the ocean. It's very beautiful there. Okay, I just gonna turn right. I not gonna go to the hotel actually. And if you see at the front, there is big meeting room. We call BTDC. Actually, there was a lot the president from other country come to this meeting room. Very big there. You see, we have a lot flag along the street because this month in August is our Independent Day. So that's why they put the flag everywhere. Okay, so that is at the front, the central of this area. It's very beautiful, isn't it? Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video, because I believe there is lots of people missing this place and they want to know how the situation at the moment in this area during the pandemic corona. And also I will explore Nusa Dua beach today. How look like the beach during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali. It's very beautiful, isn't it? The trees, the road is very nice and very clean. And there is on the left side we have Bali Collection, like shopping mall for people who live here. This is Bali Collection, very big shopping mall, and usually I was busy before the pandemic corona. If I turn left, we have Water Blow. It's very beautiful. I mean like, and that's ocean. We have the rock on the ocean, and when there is big wave coming, the wave push the rock and they go fly up very high and look very beautiful to make photo actually. But today they closed because it's emergency lockdown for Bali. So I will go to other beach. Okay, now I will turn left to explore the beach in this area. So this is the get in to go to the beach. This is look very quiet, isn't it? Just no people here. It's very quiet. And now we almost reached the beach. In Nusa Dua beach, they have white sand and very soft. And blue ocean is very beautiful. So we will see together how the situation at the moment in Nusa Dua beach during the pandemic corona and lockdown for Bali. Okay, now we reach Nusa Dua beach. You see, very white sand, very soft, and blue ocean. And the weather also very beautiful today. Oh, this is very quiet. There's no people there. Just very quiet. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. And also don't forget to hit the bell. See you in the next video. Bye bye.